The top story that we are following is the stabbing case of Saif Ali Khan, and the investigation is now intensifying. It was on the 16th of January that Saif Ali Khan's Bandra house was a target of a violent attacker. The actor was rushed to the hospital by his elder son Taimur after he was stabbed 6 times. Investigators are probing the stabbing. Key CCTV footages are now highlighting the attacker's movement. The CCTV footage, which has been accessed by India Today, can show that the assailant was climbing up the fire exit at about 1:37 a.m. and by 2:33 a.m. the attacker was seen exiting the building after assaulting Saif Ali Khan. In a surprising turn, around 8 a.m. on the same day, the suspect was spotted in Bandra, having altered his appearance. Post-assault, the attacker altered his appearance, removing his mask, cap and the scarf before he fled the spot. Mumbai police has now recorded Saif Ali Khan's wife, Kareena Kapoor Khan's statement in this case. On the other side, there is a lot of politics that is being played. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is claiming that the attacker will be nabbed as soon as several other key clues have been collected by the police.
उस मामले में पुलिस की तफ्तीश जारी है। पुलिस ने इसके बारे में आपको ब्रीफिंग भी दिया है। बहुत क्लूज पुलिस को मिले हैं। मुझे लगता है कि पुलिस जल्दी इस केस को जीरो डाउन करेगी।
The police at the moment has made as many as 35 teams to probe this case. Here's a report of what all came to light from various sources in the past 2 days.
It has been over a day since Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan was stabbed in his own house. The attacker is still at large. India Today has accessed CCTV footage of the attacker moments before the attack, where he can be seen climbing up the stairs. The footage shows the attacker going up the fire escape stairs at 1:37 a.m. with his face covered and rushing back down after the attack on Saif at 2:33 a.m. But this time the face cover is off. Later that night, the attacker was spotted at the Bandra railway station. Sources tell India Today he took the first local on Thursday morning to go to Vasai Vihar in Palghar. The police have informed 20 teams to investigate the crime. In another twist to the case, it has emerged that an unknown person allegedly did a recce of Shah Rukh Khan's house on January 14th. The CCTV footage accessed by India Today shows a person with face covered moving in the area where Shah Rukh Khan's house is located. Later, a ladder was found at the Retreat House, a building next to the actor's residence.
Retreat House, this property, which is a church property of Bombay Xaverian Corporation, was used to recce the house of Shah Rukh Khan. So this is the Retreat House. That person got a ladder and he used this ladder to do a recce around the Shah Rukh Khan's house, which is Mannat. So this is the structure of Retreat House, and just behind it is the Mannat area.
Meanwhile, more information has emerged on the state in which Saif Ali Khan was rushed to the Lilavati hospital.
लेडीज सामने से भाग के आती है तो बोले फटाक से भैया जी उठन लो, फटाक से गेट पे गाड़ी लगाओ, इमरजेंसी है, किसी को घाव लगा है। घाव लगाने के बाद जैसे गेट पे जाता हूँ तो 2-4 लोग निकलते हैं, रिक्शा खड़ा करा तो देखता हूँ एक आदमी निकल रहा है, उसको खून से ब्लड से यानी कि पूरा वाइट
ब्लड से खून से भरा हुआ था। तो फिर मैं यही पूछा मैंने, सर किधर जाएंगे? तो आपस में पहले बोले कि लीलावती जाएंगे या होली फैमिली जाएंगे। तो फिर उनसे जैसे बोले अपना सैफ अली खान बोले कि लीलावती चलो।
पूरा उनका उसमें ब्लड था, बट ही वॉकड इन लाइक अ लायन एंड ओनली विथ हिज स्मॉल चाइल्ड, दैट इज 6-7 साल का उनका जो लड़का है, तैमूर है शायद उसका नाम, हाँ, उसके साथ वो वॉकिंग किए हैं। With so much of this, he is a real hero that way.
Doctors also explained that Saif is recovering, but it was a narrow escape for the star.
Spinal cord में injury हो सकता था.
They had pulled out a 2.5 inches long part of a sharp knife from Saif's body during the surgery.
We are observing his progress. He is doing excellent and very well as per what our expectations are. So, as per his progress, maybe we have advised him, as I just mentioned, bed rest. So if he is comfortable in at least 2 to 3 days, we will be good to discharge.
Doctors hope Saif can be discharged in the next 2 to 3 days. But he is advised bed rest for at least a month. With Divyesh Singh, Mustafa Sheikh, Bhavna Agarwal and Dipesh Tripathi, Bureau Report, India Today.